Good morning students. Here in this video lecture we will discuss about how to search an element, how to search an item inside an array, that the specific item is there in the array or the specific item is not there in the array. If the item, the specific value, the specific element is there in the array, then your program should print the specific position of the element on the monitor, right? So here for search something we are having two different techniques in our programming. There are two different techniques to search a specific element inside an array. What are the names of these techniques? The very first technique, it is known as linear search technique. In this video lecture, we will discuss on the linear searching only. What is there in linear search? Very first student, linear search technique is applicable on all type of arrays. Either the array is sorted or the array is unsorted. You can apply the linear search technique in all different types of arrays. Right? So we can say the linear searching is an universal technique here. Right? On the other side, if your array is sorted means either the array elements are in ascending order or the array elements are in descending order, but they are sorted. If your array elements are sorted, then you can use binary search technique. It is the second technique for search something. What is there in binary search? Binary search technique works on the middle point searching. Right? So here the binary search, it will be there in the next video lecture. This video lecture is related to linear search. Very first, you have to understand what is the concept in this linear searching. Suppose an array is given to you and these are the elements of the array 7, 2, 12, 16, 21, 9. Very first you have to see the array, it is unsorted. Clear? Now, which particular technique you can apply for search something inside the array? You are having only one technique, that is linear search. Or on the other side, very first you just sort the array and then you can apply binary search technique. Right? Linear search technique is somehow time consuming. Clear? But it is the most favorite technique for the software engineers to search something. Right, so just see what is the technique. It is a very simple one. Array elements are this one. And suppose if I want to search 16 is there in this array or not. So according to linear search, very first you are going to compare this 16 with the 0th position value. कैसे आप compare करोगे? 16 equal to 7 what? No. Right? Then you just compare this 16 with the first position element. Here the second option is 16 equal to 2. No. Then just shift to the second position element. Then here 16 equal to 12. Here it is no. Right? Then you have to compare this item. It is your item value which you want to search. Then you just compare this element with the third position element. Here 16 equal to 16, and once you get true result, then you just show the position of the element. आपका message क्या आना चाहिए? Element found, and the specific element is at the third position in the array. Clear? Once you get the element, then you show the position. अब दूसरी बात करें, if you are going to search a element that is there and element that is not there in this array, अब आप क्या करोगे? क्या होता है linear search में? जैसे element we are going to search 20 is there in this array or not? Right? The same technique is applied by your PC. 20 compare with 0, then this. There is no 20 in the array. तो आपका message क्या आना चाहिए? Your message should be element not found in the entire array. Clear? If element found, you have to show the position of that element, that in which particular position the specific element is stored. Right? So this is the simple linear search technique, and this technique I developed a program based on a function. Right? Here, just see what is there in the program and how your computer is going to execute this linear search technique. Here, the first line is comment. No issue. Comment remains same. It is a non-readable line. Then def L search. One function is created. Name of the function is L search, and it will take AR something, some object of Python and item from outside. Right? So here it is the function header, and then this one it is the function definition. Computer skip that function part at the beginning of the program. Why? Because computer execute the function from the calling statement only. When you call the function, then only this function will execute, otherwise not. So computer execute the first line comment, then the second line function header. It will not insert inside the function until you call the function. Then your computer is here in the next comment. From here main program started, right? Main program, then the next line, this one, n equal to integer input, enter number of elements of the array, right? Means how many elements you want to insert in the specific array. So if you execute this line, if your computer execute this line, suppose the user entered 5 here. 5 is stored in n, so n variable is created and 5 is there inside the variable n. Right? Here your output, if we talk about the output that is there on the monitor, this line will be there. The line is enter number of elements of the array, and in front of this user entered 5. Clear? Then computer is here in the next line. AR0 into n means what? AR0, if n is 5, so AR is created. AR is an array. It is created with the default value 0, and total slots are reserved by this array are 5. Clear? It starts from 0 and set at this is the array. Then computer reaches towards this line. Print now insert array elements. So the same message is there. Now insert array elements. It is there on the monitor. Done. Then computer approaches here. For I in range n is 5. So I just put 5. So the range function produce a sequence 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? With the help of for loop, you can take the value of your array elements from the user. Just see what is the line. ARI equal to integer input enter elements, means the enter elements message will be there on your computer's monitor at 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Computer demands 5 different values from the user. Right? Suppose user entered 7, 2, 16, 9, 21. These 5 values. So your computer is going to replace this 0 with the given value. The first one is 7, then 2, then 16, then 9, then 21. So by this for loop, array is created with the user defined values. Done. Next line. Now computer is here. Print thanks for inserting elements. So the line is here. Thanks for inserting elements on the monitor. Done. Then your computer is here. Item is a variable equal to integer input, enter the element which you want to search. Right? So the same message will be there on the monitor. Enter the element which you want to search. आपको जो element इस array में search करना है, you have to enter the specific element. Suppose करते हैं, I just entered 9. I want to search 9 is there in this array or not. So in the item variable 9 is stored here, right? Then the next line, print here calling the function. So calling the function, it will be there on the monitor, right? Then just see, it is the function call. What is there in the calling statement? L search, function name is there. L search, it is the name, and the same name is here. And then AR comma item. What is AR? AR is our array. What is item? Item means the specific value that you want to search, the value that is there in the array or not. Right? So array and item, these two variables are inserted in this function. Now your computer is going to execute the function statement. right after the calling. Here size equal to len AR, the first line. Size variable is created. Len function, len AR, what is the size of AR? It is 5. So in the size variable 5 is stored here. Then found equal to false, one variable is created with the boolean value true and false. These are the boolean values. क्लियर? तो फाउंड में मैं लिख देता हूं इट इज फॉल्स। देन ऐसे दे दी मैंने वैल्यू फॉल्स डाल दी। आप 14 को डिजिट उठा के लिख दो, देयर इज नो हार्म इन दैट, राइट? नाउ जस्ट सी फॉर i इन रेंज साइज, व्हाट इज साइज? इट इज 5। तो ये फंक्शन क्या प्रोड्यूस करेगा? 0 1 2 3 एंड 4। दिस सीक्वेंस इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द रेंज फंक्शन, एंड देन the statements that are there inside the for loop, they will execute very first from the value 0, I की value 0 होगी, then I की value 1 2 3 4। suppose very first the value of I is 0, then what will happen? Just see, if AR 0 equal to item double equal to means it is an equality checker, means what? AR 0, कंप्यूटर यहाँ पे क्या रखेगा? What is the element at 0th position? It is 7. 7 equal to item. What is there in the item? It is 9. So computer just put 7 equal to 9. If the condition is true, then only your computer enters inside the if, otherwise not. Right? Else है नहीं, देखो इस पूरे प्रोग्राम में else है नहीं। It means if the condition is true, then and then only all these statement will execute, otherwise not. So 7 equal to 9, it is false. Next time for loop takes the value of I is 1, AR1 equal to item. What is there in AR1? It is 2. So the second time 2 equal to 9. Again the condition is false. No entry in the if block. Then value of I, it is 2 now. I2 yani AR2. AR2 means what? It is 16. Now just see 16 equal to 9. Again false. Then computer will take the value of I as 3. Now what will happen? Just see. AR3 equal to item. Item contain 9. AR3 is having 9 here. So now just see 9 equal to 9, it means what? Here the condition is true, and once the condition is true, then you are allowed to enter inside the if block. अब आपका if चला, what is there in the if? Print element found, means element found message is there on the monitor. Element found, it is there on the monitor. Done. Then what is there in the next line? Print position of the element is, what is the last value of I? It is 3. So position of the element is, the message is there, position of the element is, and here computer will show 3 because the 9 is there at the third position. I कहाँ पे है अभी? I is there at the number 3 only, right? And just see third line, found equal to true. Here we are going to change the value of found. False की जगह आपका यहाँ पे आ गया it is true. Done. Now the searching is over, for loop is over. अभी for loop 3 पे चला. Now at the last it will take the value of I की value हो जाएगी 4. AR4 equal to item AR4. What is AR4? It is 21. So the value of I, again the condition is false. Condition कहाँ true हुई थी? At the position number 3. जैसे true हुई है लाइनें चल गई। 4 पे true नहीं थी, again skip हो गया। Then execution of the for loop is over. Now computer is here in this line. यहाँ पे message आया searching over. Searching over. Done. Then see one if is there. If found equal to false. ये कब होगा? Found false कब रह जाएगा? Just see what is the starting value of found? It is false already, right? If the array, if the specific item is there inside the array, तभी तो found की value change हो रही है। अगर ये condition true होगी, तभी तो computer found की value change करके true करेगा। पूरे array में कोई element ही नहीं मिला, there is no specific element in the array, तो क्या होगा? If कभी चलेगा ही नहीं। if कभी चला ही नहीं, it means found की वैल्यू कभी ट्रू होगी ही नहीं, राइट? Now, if no element is there, the specific element is not there in the array, then the value of found remain false only. और इसको यहाँ check करवा लो. If found equal to false, it means what? Element not found in the array. Simple. But here in this concept, we are going to search 9. 9 is there in the array. तो क्या होगा? Found की value हो गई true. True होते ही अब ये if नहीं चलेगा. Done? Means searching over this message will be there only. And then when your function is completed, computer jumps back towards the very next line just after the function calling statement. वापस से back आया computer main program में. Here, what is this line? Program ended. Thanks for using. So program ended. Thanks for using. The same message will be there on the monitor, right? So it is the linear search technique to search something inside the array. Clear? If you find a question in your CBSE question paper, then according to CBSE, you have to write the function only. You do not write the complete program. पूरा program लिखने का नहीं आता. Just you have to write the specific function. केवल आपको function उठा के लिख के आना होता है in this CBSE answer sheet. Right? So this is the linear search. In the next video, we will discuss about what is there in binary search or how we can execute a binary search program. Right? Thank you very much.